What kind of team members that you would like to have in your team, especially the core team of your company? Would you like to have an S man or would you like to have a no man? There is this famous story about this company called Sony. The chairman at that point of time, Okeo Morito, he shared this interesting story in this famous book called Made in Japan. During the board meeting, one of the directors of the board always comes up with some challenging and really thought provoking kind of a questions every single time. The chairman says something, and then this particular director keeps on bouncing the idea against it and keep asking many questions related to that. So any strategy that gets built around is always go through so much of iteration, and this particular director is somebody who always come up some challenging questions to the chairman and to the board. So at one point of time, this was going on and off. Few months later, this director felt that every single time there is a board meeting, I'm the one who actually creates a lot of problem in this board and keeps on coming up with some kind of a crazy questions. So he decided that he wants to have a conversation with the chairman. So after one such board meeting, he had scheduled a call with the chairman, Okeo, and then he decided to have a conversation with him. And he started talking about the kind of a way that he approaches the board meeting, the kind of questions that he keeps on asking. And he also talked about all these things, and he eventually wanted to hand over a resignation letter from the board and from the company as well. So Okeo Morito looked at this particular letter, smiled at him, and said, "My dear friend, every single time I really enjoy your presence being in the board. The reason that I'm enjoying is because you keep on coming with some positive questions, some challenging questions which actually provokes my thinking, and we are making some better decisions because of that. If I also speak the same language and if you also come up with the same kind of a thing, why do we need two people doing the same job in a board?" So that was the kind of reply Okeo Morito told him, and he said he really welcomed that kind of a question, challenging the board and all those things which actually benefits the company on a longer run. So this was a message told to the director, and he requested him to stay on, and then he went on to become a better contributor to the company in the long run. The message that I want to leave you with in this particular story is that many a times that we have somebody in our company who keeps on listening to whatever we say. Whatever we say, they say yes. They don't really challenge you. They don't really provoke you. The point I'm actually sharing this because I wanted to share some interesting story as well. One of our clients, they are into the chemical business. They are doing very big. They are doing extremely good, and they're very big in terms of turnover and business and all of that. So during one of the conversation with the chairman, he just told me about one of the businesses that they've invested, and that particular business is actually going through tough time. Huge amount of money gets stuck in the government orders, and there are so many problems that they are going through because of that particular decision. Their existing business also going through tough times in terms of cash flow and things like that. While sharing this story, he also mentioned all this happened because of this particular person. So he was actually pointing out to another person who's standing next to him and said, "This particular person is my childhood buddy, and he is the one who takes care of all the financial decisions in my company. And every single time I keep on asking him something, and he says, okay, it can be done, go ahead, no. He keeps on saying yes for everything that I say. He never says no. Like that, if you would have stopped me on getting into that particular project, I would have saved a lot more money, and quite a lot of peace of mind will be there today." So the point I'm actually trying to drive home to all of you, my dear friends, is that when you're running company, keep smarter people around you and ensure those smarter people ask you some thought-provoking questions and challenge your ideas, challenge your strategies, challenge your action plan, so that we can become better in what we're doing. Hope you like this video. In case if you don't subscribe to this channel till now, please do so. Kindly forward this video to many of your friends and do like it. Bye bye. Thank you very much.